Gonna look around Hanoi for a place that sells sandals. Now I'll show you the sandals I have got. Check that out. And usually the road that I'm on, when I'm on the motorbike, I put my foot down all the time, so the road's kind of eaten my current sandals, which I got from New Zealand. And one thing you'll notice when you come here to Vietnam is that they don't have big sizes of shoes for people that are like size 10 and up. If you are size 10 and up, very difficult to find shoes here for you. But I heard there's a couple of places in Hanoi, so I'm going to take a bike ride, jump on the bike. I'll chuck the GoPro on the cam, on the helmet cam, and we'll head to one of the places and check out some of the bigger size shoes. Hopefully they're open. Anyway guys, let's jump on the motorbike. Alright guys, so the shop is down this alley. Actually it's this guy's house, but we're going to check it out anyway. Oh, hello, how are you?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name Hoàng.
Hoàng.
Yes.
You have many shoes here.
Yes. It's big size. Oh.
Big size, yes. Why in Vietnam you cannot get big size shoe? Very small for people like me. I have size 11.
Vietnam's people now see very big size men's.
Yes, you have very big size men. Many shoes, football, sandal. Wow, a lot.
You can.
Okay.
You can choose shoe and sandals.
Try shoe.
Yes, shoes.
Yes, you have some very big shoes for very big feet.
Yeah. Small.
Yes, that one's a bit small. What size? 45?
45.
45.
44.
Yeah, I am, I think, 46, 47, maybe 48.
47. 47.
Yeah, we will try. Made in Vietnam? Made in China?
No, made in Vietnam. I'm don't make in China.
You don't like make in China?
Yes.
Why you don't like make in China?
It's a long story.
Long story?
Yes.
Good story for YouTube.
And I always find shoe made in Vietnam.
Ah, yes. You always find shoe made in Vietnam. These shoes are pretty good. How long have you had this shop? 6 years.
6 years.
6 years. Oh, very good.
6 years. Big size shoe.
Shoe very good.
Yes.
It's strong. No fake. No fake.
No fake. Yes.
No fake. Made in Vietnam. Yes, made in Vietnam.
Made in Vietnam.
No made in China. It really is difficult to get shoes that are big sizes here in Vietnam. I think the limit in most shops is like size 9. So if you're looking for size 10, 11, 12, very difficult to get. So this is pretty much the only guy in Hanoi that has shoe sizes like 10, 11, 12, 13, which is really good and handy to know. And he's got some good brands here. I mean, he's got Adidas and Nike. Salomon?
No, the much.
No more Salomon.
Prospects. Yes.
Prospects, yes, yes.
Under more.
Ah, okay.
Under more trader.
Good for shopping, good for nightclub, good for bar.
Yes.
Not
And,
good for running.
For sports.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Good for sport?
Yes.
And for football, you have...
Football, yes. Football.
What about for rugby? You have for rugby? You know rugby?
Rugby, no. I province. Proin này.
Yes, Proin.
Proin là Puma.
Puma, yes.
Yes.
Many big size, good shoes. Oh, made in Vietnam.
Sample.
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 Oh, sample for me?
Yes.
You for me sample?
You.
Yeah. I think UK. What size UK?
Yes.
UK 10. Yeah, I think fit for me. But football, right? Football.
Football. Yeah.
My old shoe, no good. Look.
Yeah.
It's somebody bite.
It's you use long time.
Yes. And
No.
I get
size,
from
no
New
size.
Zealand.
No size.
A size on here, but made in China. I think China fake. Any
Yes.
fake.
I have made in China. Small. A liter.
Little?
A liter made in China.
Oh, really?
But Adidas.
Adidas? We have a look.
But 45. Yeah.
Let me see.
Because make Adidas in Vietnam authentic thì
Authentic.
I can find. So I buy super fake.
Fake.
Super fake.
Super.
Yeah, super fake.
Super fake.
Made in Vietnam, but it's made in don't make in Vietnam.
It's copy.
Copies. Yeah.
So very cheap. Yeah. It's same Adidas. Same Adidas. The design is Adidas, but the brand is a copied brand. How much, Bao Nhiêu Tiền?
Yes.
380,000.
Yes.
Wow, only like $20. No wonder why. Adidas, there you go. It's got the brand, but it's not. But no fit me, very small.
Yes.
Made in Vietnam, Crocs.
Yeah.
Fake?
No,
No fake?
it really is.
It's real. Good for work, school, good for teaching.
Yes.
Many teacher like shoe here.
Okay.
Very good. Many English teacher Hanoi like
Yeah.
for school, for teach.
Yeah.
Made in, it says, in Vietnam. Yeah, made in Vietnam. Okay, let me take these. Give me one more.
Yes.
Okay. We will grab definitely those. I'm still thinking about grabbing these. I mean, they look really cheesy.
Yes.
You want me to teach you English?
Yes, but now I.
One lesson, one shoe. Okay? Good deal.
Yeah.
You cannot find the wife? Where's the wife for this one? Only the husband here. Where's the wife?
Yes, I find.
The wife is...
I find his wife, but
I think the wife ran away.
Yeah.
All right, so we'll probably leave it at that. We're trying to look for this other shoe. I really do like these, even though they're brown, but that's cool. They'll come in handy. Okay, so you found the shoe,
Yeah.
the wife, and now the husband. Husband, wife together. Okay, very good. Okay, no problem. Because I think many foreigners that come here want to buy big shoe.
Yes.
They cannot buy in Vietnam supermarket, very small. But here you have big shoe, football, school teacher, and shower, and bicycle. 780.
Yes.
Okay, 780. And discount?
I don't understand.
I don't understand discount this guy. See you later.
Yeah, see you later. Send me your video, remember.
Okay, no problem.
Send me your channel YouTube.
Channel YouTube, yes.
YouTube?
Yes. Okay, I will send you the channel YouTube.
Okay.
No problem. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, seemed like a really lovely guy. Him and his little shoe business. I hope he does really well. Anyway, I got a couple of shoes off him, and he was really thankful for that. And I told him about the YouTube video that's going to be put up about his shop, so he's looking forward to that. And if you are in Vietnam, guys, and you are looking for big size shoes, then check out the link below to this guy. He'll have the sizes for you guys to come and check out. And he's got size 11 UK, 12 UK, 13 UK, basically size 46, 47, 48 and up, which is really good and handy, especially for foreigners that are coming here to Vietnam, because a lot of the shoe sizes here are very, very small. Anyway, we've got some people that want to be in the video. Hello, xin chào. Xin chào, baby. Xin chào, baby. He seems very shy. Okay, goodbye. So cute. Anyway, guys, I'm going to jump back on the motorbike and maybe stop somewhere and grab some snacks on the way back from some of the markets or something like that.